Oh, take it slow. He like it when a real bitch drop it real low.
Hey y'all, it's Jada the Great checking in. I'm with Brandon.
Hey everybody.
We about to get it poppin'.
Life real quick. Her birthday's tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Somebody's turning 23.
Okay. 23, my Jordan year.
How does it feel?
Great.
Feels great?
Yeah. I don't feel great because I'm hungover right now. But it's going to feel great once my hair is done.
Okay. What hangover?
Right, what hangover? Yeah, because last night was New Year's Eve, so I don't even know. I don't have words for it. But I just reached 500 subscribers. Clap, 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 clap.
Hey now. Thank you to 500.
Thanks to 500. Let's get to 500,000.
That part.
Alright, so I'm going to show y'all this process on how Brandon's going to do a full lace wig install on moi. Right now we're doing the bald cap method. You know, look at that wig laying flat. I need to exfoliate. My face is breaking out a little bit.
No, your skin looks good.
Thanks. I still got on makeup from last night. This is crazy. Wow. All heads got away. Ain't got no hair in the back. Hey. So this is how I'm starting off the year, okay?
It feels good too.
It was cheap, yeah.
That's good.
It wasn't like super cheap, but it was like, you know, cheaper than most because it's like from China and shit. Like,
Okay,
yeah. Chinese, you know.
Is it directly from the vendor?
Well, I don't know. I don't know, honestly. I think so. I don't know. I think it's Asians that run that brand. LuvMe Hair.
Yeah, most of the shit comes from China.
Yeah, right.
China
So,
or India.
Yeah, this is LuvMe Hair Wig, the undetectable, invisible lace or whatever the fuck they say it is. Who knows what it really is?
HD. Something.
Right. HD, thin, invisible. Like, okay, it's a lot.
Just a good lace.
Just a good lace, that's all. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. So, yeah. That's what we're working with right now.
I'll probably tweak it somebody once it's on.
Yeah. I wanna look Indian.
Like they want your land?
Yes. I wanna look like they want my land. Oh my fucking god, that's so funny. Angel. Say hey.
I look crazy right now, y'all. Wait till I lay my baby here.
Girl, people be on my fucking YouTube looking like they just got out of bed. They don't care. You know, and that's what I realized too. Like a lot of people like on YouTube that got a whole bunch of subscribers and stuff, they just be looking like whatever. Like they don't even be, you would think you gotta be all super whatever. No. Be
It's
regular
like
ass people.
They more so put together on like Instagram. And then on YouTube they just bear it all.
Yeah.
That's what people want to see.
See on Instagram, it's more natural faces and less filters. Because women really look better without the filter.
I feel that way too. The filter be killing a picture sometimes.
Some of them be cute, like the basic ones, but it be like your whole Instagram page be like them hella over dramatic.
Right.
Well, you know, like that's not what you really look like in real life.
Right.
That's not even a human being face. Right?
Yeah. Like when they had the plastic surgery faces.
Yeah.
That was my shit though. I really liked the big lips. I was like, yeah.
They still have it.
Yeah, I like the proud of you, proud of me.
Oh yeah, those are cute. Those are cute.
But still, like, girl, post that and then post one.
Yeah,
Just show makeup.
yeah.
And then go back to the, you know.
Balance. It's called balance.
It's called balance. I gotta start doing my baby hair before I leave the house. My hair was resistant.
You know, baby hairs make everything look way better.
Baby hair really changed everything. I'm so glad they like back and shit.
Right.
They make a messy hairstyle look presentable.
It makes the messy hairstyle look like chic and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, okay, yeah, she makes it better.
I'm tired, boss.
Girl, she like deep. She just bomb over. I love her.
Yeah, me too. Y'all, I am so tired. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I didn't even get sleep last night, and I had to come and work.
How's your sister?
She's good. She good. Got a boo.
I wanted her to stay.
Me too. She's fun. She coming back this month.
Like a youthful spirit.
Yeah, she does.
Very like carefree.
Yeah, she's like,
Like,
she can't be tied down. Like, she's
yeah, like a
so,
wanderer.
yeah, she is.
Like a low-key, like hippie.
Yeah, anywhere she goes, like, she could just adapt all the time. People think I'm the big sister all the time.
You have to gather her.
Yes. That looks so good.
Not too tight, right? Gonna do a quick little natural beat to it.
That's what you call a scalp, honey. Yeah. He's plucking hairs out of my real scalp.
Right? Wet legs.
Wet legs beach.
I'm gonna do your makeup before you do the
Oh.
so I don't get none of it. It looks so good.
But even look, you see the you can't, like, you won't know the difference till I put it up. Like, what? Yes, this is my scalp. Mind your business. Bitch. Mind your whole business, bitches.
Oh, you got your eyebrows mic completed, huh? They look nice.
Thank you. I gotta get them touched up.
They look natural though. If you wanted to like recreate this, it'd be real easy too. All you do is just like
Do you wear your retainer every night? Me either, man.
They tell me I should though.
Yeah, me too.
But I low-key am starting to see my teeth like slide back to the original state.
Anything's better than the fucking very, very original state, so I don't really give a fuck. They say it can go back all the way.
But I haven't worn one in like, well, when I had my braces, my wire was out for like a year. And I haven't been wearing my retainer, so I'm like, maybe that's just how they're gonna stay. I mean, they still pretty straight.
Yeah, they're straight. Yeah, I haven't worn mine in like 3 weeks.
Look up. Damn, I wasn't even recording this whole time.
Yeah, that sucks when that happens.
Yes, the fuck, bitch, that was a fucking transformation. You look so bomb.
Yes, honey. It's so bomb.
We always make one joke.
No, it's funny because when I first started with, I had that cap on looking crazy. It's like before and after.
It looks so fire. Bitch, you look like it's your birthday.
Oh, yes. This is how I should have fucking started the fucking video.
Okay.